Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to make a Minecraft Bedrock server for free. So let's get started. Open a web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Aternos and press enter. Click on the official website. Aternos provides free Minecraft servers that are private unless you share access. Once you're on the site, log into your account or create one. After that, click on Create a Server. At the top, switch the edition to Bedrock. You can then customize the server's IP address, name, and appearance. Once done, click Create. Next, click Skip to go to your server page. On the left menu, you'll see options like Files, where you can view and edit your server files, and Software, where you can choose your Minecraft version. In Options, configure your server settings such as game mode, difficulty level, and number of player slots, up to 20. Once you're done, return to the main page and click Start. Agree to the Mojang EULA. Wait in the queue, and your server will go online, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.